When we set goals, we've got to set the activities that go with those goals. As your coach, guys, honestly, I could care less about your goal. I don't want to sound heartless, but what I'm concerned about as your coach is what are the activities that you're doing. And you could come to me and say, man, I'm really embarrassed to say this goal, like I want a Bugatti for $4 million. There's nobody on this call that couldn't have a Bugatti in the next year. You just have to be like, oh crap, these are the activities that I have to do it. And you could have it. Like, I know for a fact at the Bugatti factory, which looks like a mansion in France, they're not looking for some alien species with 7 arms to sell cars to, right? All of these things that you think are without of your reach were all designed for human beings that breathe oxygen, right? That have limbs, that have eyeballs, that have the ability to talk. You guys can achieve anything you want, but you got to focus on the activities, right? And not the end goal, the activities. And those activities need to be daily.